Hi, my name is Margaret Foote. I'm from LA County Parks and Recreation. I'm a supervisor at Steinmetz Park. Today, what I'm going to be doing is frosting Christmas cookies for our seniors, Steinmetz Senior Center. Okay, for this holiday season, we're going to give each of you guys 2 cookies in your kit. You're going to either get a snowman or a sweater, mittens, or a candy cane, or a Christmas tree. And I'm going to show you how to frost it. In your kit, you're going to get 4 colors of frosting: white, blue, red, and green, along with your cookie. And then you can go ahead and just put it together and eat it. We're going to start with the mitten. You're going to get your white frosting first. And we're going to put just a little dab right here, just to show you, to make a little mitten. And it looks like snow or fur, whatever you want to call it. Get it, dab it, make it nice and fluffy. This one here, I think I'll make it red. So you're going to get red frosting and put it where the mitten is. Put it on there like so. If you like really sweet, put more frosting. If you don't like it so sweet, put it less. And here you go. Looks yummy. There you go. Okay. Next, we're going to do a candy cane. So I would put it frosted all white first, like so. Put it all on there. Get another knife and clean it up a little bit. That way it looks nice and neat. Like so. There you go. Looks pretty good. Okay, in your kit, you're going to get a little baggie. You could put any color of frosting in it that you want, and then you get it, and then you could detail it. And I like to do little scribbly lines, but you could do whatever you want. It's your cookie. However you want to do it, it's up to you. And here you go. Fix it like that. Like that. And you have a candy cane. Look cute. You could even get it and outline it a little bit if you like. Whatever you want to do, you do it. There you go. Make it nice. Yummy. Okay. Here's the Christmas tree. We're going to do this one green. And get it? Oops, got a little bit of red on there. Get your frosting. Frost it all on there. And this is just a treat that we're going to give you guys for the holidays. Okay, get it, clean off your, clean it up a little bit. with your knife. Make it nice. There's two kinds of frostings that you could make for these sugar cookies. One is royal frosting, but it's real sweet. I decided to use buttercream because it's not as sweet, and a lot of seniors don't like really sweetness. Some do, but a lot of us can't have that. So I decided to use buttercream. It's really yummy. And this recipe is cream cheese buttercream. So if you guys like it, let me know. There you go, the Christmas tree. Next we're gonna do is a little snowman, and we're gonna do that one white frosting. We're gonna frost the whole thing white first with our white frosting. Some more here. Get it. Because he's supposed to look like snow, so we want to make it a little bit fluffy. So get it, frost it all up. Like so. And okay, that looks pretty good. Get your knife, clean it up a little bit. Like so. Because we don't want no chunks. There we go. Looks pretty good. Let's move our tree over here. We're gonna get blue. We're gonna put little eyes right there. Hold on. Buttons. Make it a little scarf. Make your little hat outline for the hat. And there you have a little snowman. And there you go. For the sweater, all I did was have a sweater because some probably don't like frosting. You're gonna get it and just draw lines on it, however you wanna do it. And then put a little dot. There you go. Outline the little top. Make the little sleeves. Put a little. Very simple. And there you got your holiday cookies. I hope you enjoyed these holiday cookies. If you did, please hit and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy.